Hey guys, here's just an update for where the bike's at right now. The R6 Conversion came in from Classified Moto. Just unfortunately, they didn't send the bearings. It's kind of been a nightmare with that. So it's just on there so I can build the front screen and I can know exactly how big that front and get the bracket for the lights. But I'm ordering the front disc brakes right now and the rear shocks. I did the tank. It's kind of hard to see, but it really kind of came out good. I'll try to get a picture on the other side. It looks really good. I got the Classified Moto air filters on. It's been rejetted. Kind of did a little bit of patina in the bike, you know, there and here, and I still got to take the exhaust off one more time, patina it. But I did the rear fender. Kind of came out good. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with the crossbow mount. Cleaned up this. Going to make the seat pan this week. But that's ready to go. But the bike's kind of coming out good. I'm happy with it. If the rake kind of looks funny, there's no bearings in it. So it's like the forks are kind of just in there. But like I said, I needed to mock it up. But just making sure everything fits because it's a real tight fit with the handlebars with the R6, you know. And then come around here. I put that patch piece in on the tank. It actually came out pretty good. It's not a lot of lighting in here, but I got a good drip effect like the other tank on the Classified Moto bike. And kind of roughed up this stuff. It's nighttime, so the lighting's kind of poor. But it's getting there. So I got the Kickstarter thing mounted. And the little grill, that's permanently mounted in there. I don't know if you can see it. I tried to hide the tab the best I could. So nobody's going to see kind of the tab thing. I mean, that's just there to hide the Kickstarter, and that it's a fake Kickstarter. But overall, I'm really happy with the way this bike came out. It's come a long ways in a short time. I just wish it wasn't so hot. I'd sit out here and get it finished. I'm ordering the battery, the seat, the shocks, the brakes, all that stuff should be coming in the next couple weeks. The seat's probably going to drag behind everything because I haven't even seen the guy yet. And then I'm hoping that by the middle of September this bike will be running, and I know my son-in-law is anxious to get it. But that's about it for now, guys. Let me know what you think.